Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can enable community on a Discord server. So let's get started. So this is the part 4 of the video, how to create a Discord server. So let's get started. So open your Discord app. Now you'll see our server, and this is the bot we created with my friend Fighter. So now you should go for test for video server settings. Go there, and by the way guys, this video is gonna be short, so I'm just gonna edit it and I'm gonna put it in YouTube. So this video for sure it's gonna be short, but it will be very helpful for you who doesn't know what is community and how to enable community. So community is like a community server, like this is for just like friends, family server. So we should make it more interesting. No, for that we are gonna use the option called enable community. So let's go to server settings. You have a thing called enable community button. Click on that. Are you building a community? Get started. So let's get started. So verified email required, yes, and scan media content for all members. So check these two options and click on next. So rules or guidelines channel. So rules and guidelines, what we are gonna do is you have to click on this and we are gonna select rules, because we have created a channel called rules. Okay, so in community updates it will be just for create one for me, let it be, and click on next. One last step, follow the rules, like set default settings to mention only, disable disk permissions for everyone. Okay, and I agree and understand. You should check this box and click on finish it up. So the community has been enabled. This is how you can enable community. And for rules and guidelines we have to put some rules. So I am not gonna type because I'm lazy to type, so I'm gonna go into my server, copy the rules, and I'll come. Copy, Control plus C is equal to copy, and there's rules. Click on rules. I'm gonna paste it here. In here, let me just put one. Before shift enter at everyone. So let's put in. So this is the rules we have done. So like how to set up welcome screen, other kind of things and all, I'll put in the next video, part 5, and the next video itself I'm gonna start put bots also. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. So if it is helpful, share it to your other friends, your family members, and other people who don't know how to enable community. So see you guys soon. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.